So far, we've tackled ACER's brand new humanities and science GAMSAT mock exams and how best to use them. Now let's turn to your essay writing. GAMSAT written communication, formerly known as Section 2, also known as Why Are They Forcing Me to Do This? For your essay prep, we need to talk about ACER's online test generator. It gives you official, real past exam, Task A and Task B prompts under untimed, or even better, timed conditions, so you can practice exactly how the actual exam feels, minus the existential dread. Well, except for the fact that you will receive an automated score with each essay submission. But to be clear, the score you receive is not perfection, but it is reasonably accurate for most students. And two, ACER is not going to give you any tailored advice as to how to improve your essay. What is the wrong way to use ACER's online test generator? Write one essay, read the score, cry, never open it again. The correct way? Okay, let's talk strategy. Use the generator as a diagnostic tool, not a judgment. Each attempt shows you patterns. Are your arguments clear? Do you actually answer the prompt? Are your examples relevant or just vibes? And this is where AI can help ethically and intelligently. You can paste your practice essay into an AI tool and ask, where is my argument unclear? Which claims lack evidence or explanation? Am I assuming things without justifying them? AI is great at spotting logical gaps, weak topic sentences, paragraphs that don't actually support your thesis. You can also ask AI to help you tighten phrasing, improve structure and language, improve clarity without sounding robotic. The ACER test generator shows you where you are. AI helps you understand why you're there. At Gold Standard GAMSAT, similar to the real GAMSAT, our essays are marked by actual carbon-based human beings. Yes, with brains, opinions, and coffee. We have a written communication paperback book and ebook with detailed strategies, 100 model essays, etc., etc. That said, we know ACER's automated system and AI tools like ChatGPT are more budget-friendly options, so we're laying out all your choices transparently. So practice smart, reflect honestly, and remember, no one writes a perfect GAMSAT essay on the first go. For worked solutions to ACER's mock exams, head to Gold Standard GAMSAT on YouTube. And if you want books, videos, 15 plus updated full-length mock exams, and live interactive tutorials, train your brain at gamsatprep.com. Our next video will discuss a science unit, questions based on a passage, from ACER's Practice Test A ebook. Keep training smart. You can do this. Good luck.